Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download CapCut in India. So basically, you won't find CapCut in Play Store. You just need to download a VPN from Play Store. Like search for Super VPN. After searching it, I have already downloaded it. You need to install it first, then open it. So after opening it, you need to connect it. After the VPN is connected, just go to Play Store and you need to have two accounts in Play Store, and you need to change the account. Click on your account and change to another account. Now search for CapCut. After searching that, you will find CapCut. Now you can install it. So guys, this is how can you download CapCut in India. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.